Hi everybody, welcome to Early Childhood Education. My name is Mrs. Yaub and I am the teacher here for this program, and I'm super excited to tell you a little bit about what this program has to offer. As you can see, I am standing in a classroom that is designed for young children. This is actually our Head Start classroom. We have children ages 3, 4, and 5 years old that come here for a half a day. So they attend either in the AM session or the PM session. And just like you would if you were a CTC student here at our school, you would come either for the AM session or the PM session. So do they. So what is the purpose of this classroom? This classroom is actually designed to be our preschool laboratory. So just like you think about a science lab, this is our lab, so that way you can learn how to interact with children, how to work with children, how to create activities for children, learn how to become a teacher yourself one day. So this is a great learning environment for you to learn about young children and how they grow and develop and get the hands-on practice of working with kids. So I just wanted to introduce you to this classroom so you can get a little sneak peek as to what it looks like in here. And I really hope that you'll join me over in our Zoom session so that way I can answer any further questions you have. I can share with you some projects that students have completed, answer questions about uniform or scheduling or whatever else you might have. So come on over and join me, and I'll see you over in the Zoom. Thanks so much. Bye.